Hi, everybody. Thank you for joining us today as we explore the geography of Europe. I want to begin by telling you a little bit about Europe. Europe is one of the 7 continents in the world. It shares the same landmass as another continent, Asia, which lies to its east. Therefore, that entire landmass is typically referred to as Eurasia. The 2 continents are separated by a large mountain range in Russia called the Ural Mountains. Although Europe is made up of over 50 different countries that really vary in size, Europe is the second smallest continent. It's only larger than Australia. Despite its small size, though, it is the 3rd most populated continent in the world. 11% of the world's population lives in Europe, and the only 2 continents with larger populations are Asia and Africa. So where is Europe? Well, Europe is located to the east of the Atlantic Ocean. So we are going to begin our journey in Georgia, which is where our class is located, and we are going to travel over the Atlantic Ocean to the east to arrive in Europe. Now, Europe is bordered to the south by the Mediterranean Sea. That's the body of water that separates Europe from Africa. The Arctic Ocean borders Europe to the north. It crosses the European countries of Iceland, Norway, Sweden, Finland, and Russia. The Arctic Circle is a special line of latitude. Because Europe is located above the equator, it lies in the northern hemisphere. The prime meridian, the imaginary line of longitude that divides the Earth into the eastern and western hemispheres, passes through Europe at Greenwich, London, United Kingdom. As a result, a small section of Europe is in the Western Hemisphere, but the majority of the continent is located in the Eastern Hemisphere. So now we're going to take a look at 7 of the countries in Europe, and we're going to start with the United Kingdom. The United Kingdom is an island country located off the northwestern coast of Europe. The United Kingdom is made up of 4 smaller countries, Great Britain, Scotland, Wales, and the northeastern part of the island of Ireland. The United Kingdom is one of Europe's leading economies. The English Channel is a body of water that separates the United Kingdom from the mainland of Europe. So from the United Kingdom, we're going to travel south across the English Channel to France. France is also one of Europe's leading economies. From there, we're going to travel to Spain, which is located southwest of France and makes up the majority of the Iberian Peninsula. Southeast of France lies Italy, which is composed of a boot-shaped peninsula and 2 Mediterranean islands. Spain, France, and Italy are all linguistically and religiously similar. Linguistic means language. They share common languages. Now, Belgium is a country that is located along France's northeast border, and to the east of Belgium lies Germany. Poland is located to the east of Germany, and Ukraine is located southeast of Poland. Ukraine is a country that was once the primary agricultural center for the Soviet Union. Northeast of Ukraine is Russia, and Russia is the largest country in the world in terms of total landmass. Both Russia and the United Kingdom share common linguistic heritage and a turbulent mutual history throughout the Cold War. Thank you for joining me on our exploration of select countries of Europe.